Hey, what's up? It's Friday, it's after work, it's 5:15, just went for a quick walk and now it's time to get busy. When I put this paneling in, I did it with the intent of being able to remove it. What I didn't expect is I would be doing it almost right away, but we pivoted to the floor and I gotta disconnect the dishwasher. So the dishwasher drain comes up, a little P-trap, and then goes into the same drain as the washing machine. Shut down the power just to be safe and pull the dishwasher out. So here we got new floor in the cavity where the dishwasher goes. So now it's time to shove that thing back in there.
What are you doing?
The fun part is trying to get the electricity reconnected because it's all the way on the far corner of the dishwasher. I need about 3 more inches on my arm.
Science just isn't there right now.
Jesus, don't make me laugh. Oh, my belly.
Stay in there, bull.
Good. There's a total cock monkey fuck duckery plug.
I can see your butt.
Apparently swearing is what it needed.
Did it work?
I think so.
Nice.
So a couple days ago, did this section. Hey, you like it, don't you, Eleanor? And today we got under the dishwasher and partway across this side of the island. I think it looks good, but that's it for tonight. I'm hungry. Time for a beer. Be good. Wash your hands. Stay home.